Hello, my name is Nancy Zenger-Beneda. I'm the Vice President for Academic Affairs at Cloud County Community College. My husband Dan and I live on our family farm just outside of Belleville, Kansas. We have two adult children. Cole is a student at Fort Hays State University in graphic design, and our daughter Kelsey teaches at Kansas State University in animal science and is currently working to complete her PhD. Her boyfriend Austin is also in the picture. Kelsey and I show paint horses. I'm on the board of the Kansas Paint Horse Association. We host the Worldwide Paint Horse Congress. We take this event to Oklahoma City because Kansas doesn't have a facility large enough for the 650 horses that come to exhibit at this event. Our horses do have to work sometimes. In this picture, we're moving our cows home from their winter pasture on a stock field to a pasture close to our home so we can keep a close eye on them during calving season. We also raise border collies. This is my favorite girl, Casey, with her last litter of puppies. In thinking about all of the knowledge that our executive team must have about educational law to operate the institution, I realize it is pretty extensive. We see issues related to the Title IX and Clery Act pretty regularly. We have to be familiar with the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act to make sure we're not giving out information to parents when we don't have permission to do so. We do have an experienced human resources director that helps us with employee issues and college policy. We need to be compliant with community college state statutes and the Kansas Open Meetings Act. To maintain our accreditation, we have to follow assumed practices set forth by the Higher Learning Commission. Our financial aid department works with the Department of Education. Our Veterans Assistance Program works with the Department of Defense. And of course, there are a lot of regulations related to the financial operations of the college and facilities. We really rely on resources to help us get through the day-to-day operations of the college. The Kansas Association of School Boards helps us with employee issues and college policy. The Kansas Association of Community College Trustees lobbies for community colleges, but also keeps us abreast of legislative changes that impact the college, both at the state and federal levels. And each of our executive team members has an organization that is specific to our unique positions. My organization is the Kansas Association of Instructional Administrators, and we meet at least quarterly to talk about changes that are happening across the state or at the federal level and how we'll be able to implement those at our institutions to be compliant. The college does have legal counsel that we have available, and we consult them regularly. Two specific areas that are challenging for me are the Copyright and Fair Use Act. I know our instructors are sensitive to textbook costs and many times copy more information than they should. Also, ADA compliance continues to be a concern for us as we try to bring into compliance all of our online courses. My strengths in educational law center around teacher contracts and negotiations, particularly because I come from the educational side of the college. I was a full-time instructor and at one time the Faculty Association president, so I have seen negotiations from both sides. I'm also well-versed in assumed practices from the Higher Learning Commission, one because I was intricately involved in our last self-study and accreditation visit, but also because I serve as a peer reviewer for the Higher Learning Commission. You know, there's always areas for development and there are always things to learn. Two specific areas that I believe I could grow from more information is the area of discrimination and diversity issues. I think we're living in a particularly sensitive political climate right now, and the college is responsible for leading our community and our region and how to manage those issues. So expanding my knowledge in that area will help us do that. I think that connected to that is also administrator and teacher liability. We deal with some very sensitive issues at the college, and understanding on a broader scale what we're liable for can help us do our jobs better. I do have a plan to improve. Of course, the coursework that we work on throughout the semester will be helpful, and I will rely on resources. I've already learned in my position that I need to double check and make sure that I'm right before I act. We do conduct college-wide trainings, and I sit in on webinars when I have the opportunity to do so. And our administrative team works closely together. So as if each of us works through specific situations that are related to our areas, we talk about those so that we are developing a comprehensive knowledge of how we manage situations that arise. And then I will document situations that happen, not only so that I have that information to deal with this specific situation, but also so I have a reference to refer back to as similar situations arise. I'm really looking forward to working with everyone in the class and learning from you all. I wish you the best for a great semester.